is the freight elevator. Oh shit. Look at this. This is a SchindlerHaughton freight elevator. Oh my god. Yo, look at this indicator. This is so cool. What the fuck? That was weird. It's just slow. Alright, let's get a look at the cab. Guess there's one over here. This is creepy. This is big, too. Let's get a look at the COP. Check that out. Oh, we're stopping at 14. I'm down? Yep. What floor? Ground. Maybe this one? Maybe I bet they're the same floor, probably just different sides. This thing's busy. Going down? What floor?
Spot.
Three?
Figured out the wait all that time.
Oh, I'm sorry.
No problem.
Have a good one, please. Have a good day. You too. Come down?
Nah.
Going down?
Yeah, I wanna look back, right? On the elevator.
Yeah, it's busy as hell, so.
I think it's getting that way. Making a music video?
I'm actually interested in elevators, as weird as it sounds.
We all gotta have something.
These are cool. These are old SchindlerHaughton elevators, which are quite rare, so.
Really?
I don't know. Don't see many of these, so.
Yeah. I get my share of elevators.
It's a beautiful day outside.
Is it? It's turning out today, yeah, it's nice.
I guess spring is finally coming.
I hope so, yeah.
Yeah.
After possibly a little snow on Saturday.
Oh, Jesus.
Yeah.
Well, hopefully it lasts. Hey, you guys have a good day.
You too.
Actually.
We're just
Oh my
sending
God.
around the greeting crew for you.
Really?
Yeah.
Where's the cake?
We already bought the candles, made it. Bastards. I asked him if he's making a music video, and he's like, oddly enough, I dig elevators. I'm like, is it the best elevator doors you've ever seen? I've never seen elevators. I've been doing this shit for 20 years.
Hey, you guys have a great day.
You too, bud.